Hey guys, Owen Spradling here, and today I'll be doing another custom video, and today I'll be making the Black Frieza from dragonballsuper manga. Please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications for more videos like this. Alright, the first thing I had this Frieza figure. I took the tail off and I paint the tail with black acrylic paint. For the legs, I used dab and just applied it, spread it around, and sand it down once it's dry. After I sand it down, I use this cool slate metallic finish paint. I also use that same acrylic paint on where his wrists are and also his feet and hands. Once I'm done with that, I paint the arms, part of his back, even his head. I used purple clay to put on his arms and his legs. And I super glue them on. After all that's done, I use some Mod Podge all over it, so that way the paint will like chip off. Once all that dried up, I put them together, and we'll see how it looks. Alright guys, that'll be all. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell for notifications. This is Owen Spradling, and I'll see you in the next video. Later.